Welcome back to our channel, where every camera documents the truth, every encounter tests authority, and public rights stay front and center. Today's footage comes courtesy of Reggie Photo, linked below, so make sure to support their work. Stick around till the end, because this interaction raises serious questions about consent, authority, and lawful policing, and don't forget to subscribe for more real encounters and in-depth legal breakdowns.
How are you?
Can I help you?
No, thank you.
No, can I help you with anything?
No, thank you.
What is it you're doing?
Sorry?
What is it you're doing?
Just taking readings.
Taking what, sorry?
Readings.
Readings of what?
Sorry, my friend. It's just on a need-to-know basis.
It's on a need-to-know basis?
Yes.
Or are you one of these people that call, what do you call yourselves?
Human.
No, one of the auditor type.
Auditors.
Yeah, is that what you're doing?
No, I'm just taking readings.
Taking readings? What are you taking readings for? It's going to help you if you want.
No, you can't help me.
Can I not?
No.
Why not?
Sorry?
The encounter opens quietly, but right away we see an officer repeatedly engaging someone who has not asked for assistance. There's no allegation of wrongdoing, yet the interaction continues. This sets the tone for a consent-based encounter that may be drifting into persistence. In public spaces, refusal alone does not create reasonable suspicion.
Well, I might be able to help you.
No, you can't help me.
Why is that?
Pardon?
Why is that?
Why? Can I help you?
Yeah, but you're standing on police property. So I'm asking, can I help you?
No, you can't help me.
Right, well, go on, stand off the property then.
Shut up, mate. Am I on your property?
This is police property, this.
Gonzo, move it. Am I on police property?
This is police property.
Where does it say that?
Well, no, it doesn't need to say it.
Of course it needs to say it.
I'm just asking you a question.
Well, stop asking me questions.
I'm not shouting at you, am I?
You're giving me directives. Where does it say that's private property in there?
Right, I'm not shouting at you, am I? Have I shouted at you?
Pardon?
Have I shouted at you?
Well, I'm shouting at you. You wanted to know my business. So, hop it. Come on.
Don't tell me to hop it.
I will tell you to hop it.
Why?
Because you're being quite rude.
I'm not being rude.
Very rude.
The officer's tone shifts as repeated questions continue despite clear disengagement. This is where power tension begins to form, especially when the individual asserts their right not to explain themselves. Without reasonable suspicion, continued questioning risks becoming an unlawful detention. Authority cannot replace legal grounds.
So now you're actually pushing me onto the road.
I'm not pushing. Have I put my hands on you and pushed you?
Well, you're walking towards me.
I've not walked towards you, I've walked across
Well,
it.
hop
Which
it.
I'm allowed to do.
Hop it.
You hop it.
Me hop it?
Yeah, don't tell me to hop
I'm
it.
hopping it.
Well, that's very good.
Well, you hop it.
Well, I don't need to hop. I can hop perfectly well, thanks.
Come on, do it then.
I don't need to.
Get away from me.
I'm just asking if you're alright.
I said I'm okay.
Sure you're alright.
I'm very okay. I'm taking
I'm
readings.
a bit worried about you, that's all, mate.
I'm worried about you.
I'm fine.
You can't take no for an answer.
Neither can you, clearly.
What's the no? What do you tell me no?
I'm just asking if you're alright.
I said yes.
You're just
And you
writing stuff down. I'm just worried. That
You
you're not
worried?
alright.
I've told you I'm okay.
If you're lost or anything.
I'm not lost.
So you left is that your bag?
That's
You
my
left it
bag.
up there, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You sure you're alright?
My friend, how many times you need to ask me if I'm alright?
Well, see,
Here we see frustration building on both sides, but the key issue remains unchanged. No offense has been articulated. The officer's insistence contrasts sharply with the civilian's lawful refusal to engage. This kind of persistence often leads courts to question whether freedom to leave was truly present. The line between welfare check and control starts to blur.
Directives. Are we all going directives now?
I've not finished speaking yet. I said I don't know how old you are, but when I grew up...
Talk to the hand, my friend.
I've got manners, so I'm being polite.
No, you're not being polite. You're not taking no for an answer.
I'm not being rude.
You kept asking me about my business.
Yes, which is perfectly within my right to ask you what you're doing.
Right, where'd you live?
What's it got to do with you?
Exactly.
Do you want to know where I live?
Exactly.
Come to my house. I'll make you a cup of tea if you
Come on
want.
then.
Go meet you back, I'll meet you there.
Where is it?
A long way away.
Yeah, well, that's
Middle of Wigan.
serious.
Yeah.
And you'd make me a brew?
I'll make you a brew anytime, mate. As long as you'll be rude to me.
Well, I didn't want to be rude, but you just
No,
kept, you
mean,
kept,
I've
you
come-
kept telling me.
I've come to ask you a question, and all you're being is dead defensive.
Defensive?
Yeah.
Right, we'll get your bank card out and give me the last 3 digits and everything on back.
What's your bank card got to do with it?
Because it's private to you.
The discussion escalates into personal boundaries and perceived intimidation. When proximity and body language enter the equation, legal scrutiny increases. Even without physical contact, pressure tactics can suggest an implied detention. Public confidence erodes when authority feels coercive.
I've no right to it.
Right, well, like I say, I'm being polite and you're being rude.
No, I started off polite. You said, can I help you? I says, no, thank you. I was very polite.
If I come snooping round your house, would you ask me what I'm doing?
This isn't your house because you just told me you live in Wigan.
Right, but
so it's not your house, is it?
Work property.
It doesn't matter.
It does
It's
matter.
paid for by the public.
By me?
But your wages are paid for by the public, out of the public purse, right?
Yeah.
But every taxpayer will contribute to this building.
Taxpayer rubbish again. I'm just asking you a question.
You've asked me, I've answered it,
Right.
so, right.
And I just asked you what is it you're doing?
I'm taking readings.
Taking readings?
Yes.
And I asked you what are you taking readings of in case
And
I can help
exactly, if you show me your bank card,
I don't need to show you your bank card because
well, it's private to you, my friend.
I've asked you for your bank card details.
No, but you're asking me what I'm doing.
Yeah, cool.
You don't need to know.
Because it's suspicious and weird.
What, writing on a piece of perspex?
Claims around public funding and property surface here, a common misunderstanding in public audits. Publicly funded buildings are not automatically restricted spaces. Without signage or lawful authority, exclusion becomes questionable. Property claims must be supported by law, not assumption.
Yeah.
It's fully transparent, sir.
Well, that's a question.
What?
I was just asking you what you're doing if I could help you, and you started being defensive.
No.
So I'll tell you what.
I tell you what. Bye-bye, sir.
See you later, mate.
See ya.
Hey, listen. You don't need to ask us for our help anytime, mate, because you obviously don't need it.
Hey, if we wanted to ring you, we can never get hold of you.
Don't-
You're probably at some house dealing with some Facebook bloody charm or something like that.
All right, yeah. Whose fault's that?
Well, you tell me.
Well, it's not mine.
Well, you're basically saying if I need your help, not to bother ringing.
Don't bother ringing me.
I haven't got your number.
I know you haven't.
You seem like a very caring person, sir.
I am very caring, yeah.
Would you ever get uptight within yourself?
Because I'm a human being.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I am too.
I've been around a long time.
Yeah.
I can have conversations with people.
So can
and I
I.
don't need to get defensive about it.
No, you are.
And that's the way it is.
You did get defensive.
The officer continues engaging despite clear resistance, reframing the interaction as concern. However, concern alone does not override a person's right to privacy. At this stage, the encounter risks appearing retaliatory rather than protective. Accountability demands restraint, not persistence.
When I ask you for your bank details,
I'm not going to give you. You're being silly though, aren't you?
that's not silly.
It is
It's
silly,
private to you,
It is
which
silly.
this is private to me.
Well, it's childish and ridiculous.
It's
is
not.
what it is.
Oh,
I'm
whoa.
I'm a grown up. I'm not going to come asking you for your bank details.
Would you want me to tell you what's childish and ridiculous?
So
That bloody badge on your uniform.
Is it all right?
Yeah. Why can you not put a red, white and blue one on it?
Why can I not what?
Why do you have to deface the Union Jack? That's bloody ridiculous, if you want my opinion. And most of us are proud to have a Union Jack on our house or our wall or whatever. You guys don't seem to be proud to have that on you, do you?
I'm proud enough of what I do in my country.
What to black it out and put a thin blue line through it?
Yeah, well, it's representative.
How proud is that?
It's representative of the thin blue line.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a gang.
Right. All right, mate. You have a nice day.
I was until I come across you.
Yeah, so was I. You have a nice day.
The conversation drifts into symbolic issues and personal opinions, pulling focus away from any lawful purpose. This weakens the officer's position further. When authority becomes personal, professionalism is compromised. Policing must remain objective and legally grounded.
Just be careful you don't get. There's a lot of lorries come down here, so just be dead careful down here, mate. All right. I know you've got your high-vis jacket on, but just be careful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You have a great day.
3438.
The name's there if you want to write that down.
No, well, you're just a number, mate.
Here you go.
Just a number.
Wrong number because my name's on there.
Pardon? I don't need your name. You're just a number.
Okay.
Like we are to you.
Oh well. 3438. Sergeant Tickle.
Oh, Sergeant.
T-I-C-K-L. Yeah, that's what they've striped me in.
Right.
T-I-C-K-L-E if you need to spell it.
No worries.
Yeah?
You fancy a tickle?
Not today, mate. Hey, have a nice day, pal. Just watch out.
My friend, if a member of public doesn't want to engage with you, if he's not doing anything illegal, he doesn't have to. Doesn't have to come to this, what we just did there for 10 minutes.
No, it's fine. But I'm being polite.
I was being polite, sir.
You know,
I said, no, thank you.
You said to me, one or two. Just look at them cars. Da-da-da. And I go,
Identification and status are discussed here, revealing an imbalance of power. The civilian is treated as an object of scrutiny rather than a rights holder. Without legal necessity, demands, implied or explicit, become inappropriate. Transparency must apply to both sides.
okay, mate. See you later. Have a nice day. I don't know what you're doing, do I?
No, but it's...
What if you said that? That was a big conversation.
Yeah, but I wasn't looking at the cars.
Well, whatever you're looking at, but... Come on, I've asked you a question.
Yeah.
They're defensive. Is it not suspicious that somebody's hanging around a police station? Well, I'm going to ask you a question, aren't I?
You can ask, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But don't be alarmed if they don't answer the way you want it.
I'm not being, but that does make suspicious. All you needed to say was exactly what you were doing.
But I don't need to, though.
I know, but why create an argument? You're just looking for an argument.
No, you was looking for
I'm
one.
looking for an argument.
You was?
I was sat in my car.
Why can you not give me your bank details?
Why would you want my bank details?
Because you should
Right,
should look at me and say I'm a trustworthy person.
Have I asked you for your bank details?
No, but
have I asked you for your
I can guarantee if you're giving
Have I
me,
asked you for your name?
I would never abuse
Have I asked you for
it.
your
I would
name?
never spend anything off your
Have I asked
card.
you? Don't it, mate.
Yeah, well, yeah, if you're a sergeant, you should have enough.
My wife does more.
If you're a sergeant, you should have enough in there.
I wish. Listen,
No, but you get what I'm saying?
no, because asking me for my bank details is just...
Yeah, but not everybody's a criminal, sir.
I never said you were a criminal.
Yeah, so why would you not trust me with them?
Criminal.
Why would you not trust me with them then?
Because...
Repeated justifications are offered after the fact, rather than at the outset. This is significant because lawful encounters require clarity from the beginning. Retroactive reasoning does not cure an unlawful stop. Courts often examine this exact behavior.
I don't trust anybody with my bank details, even
What?
my friends.
I don't trust you with my information, and even
I'm
though
not
you're the
asking your
police.
information.
Yeah, you're asking me what I was doing.
Yeah, that's not your information.
Well, that's information.
No, it's
GDPR.
not. No, it's not.
Of course it is.
Right, listen, mate, have a nice day. Have a nice day. I've got things to do. I'm bored of arguing with you.
It's not an argument. You don't like debates, do you?
Mate, when there's sensible debates, yeah, I don't mind having them. But this is not a sensible debate.
Of course it is.
This is not a sensible debate.
You got your back up
Right.
because you didn't know what I was doing.
I'm not got me back.
You have.
I've just asked you a question. And it's all on Bodycam there that I've said.
Oh, so you're recording me, are
Of
you?
course I'm recording.
So why did you not tell me the
I
first
flicked it on
opportunity
right?
available?
Because I can't get a word in edgeways, mate.
You can't, can you?
Let's be honest.
Because you've kept putting your words out first.
No, I've given you opportunities to speak, haven't I?
Yeah, but that should have been one of the first things you told
I've given
me.
you opportunities to speak.
Yeah, it should have been the first thing you told me
Right,
that.
you know it's recording.
No, I didn't know you were recording. I didn't know until you told
Well,
me.
I'll tell you what, on the GDPR you can request a copy of that footage and then you can put it all over social media
Yeah.
and to show how polite I was with you and how I'm just trying to help
Yeah,
you.
but you don't understand tyranny, do you?
I don't know who tyranny is, just where does she work?
Tyranny, yeah, can happen in a polite manner. So you by wanting to see what I'm doing.
The officer frames persistence as politeness, but consent has already been withdrawn. This moment highlights a core issue in many audits. Refusal is not rudeness. Continuing anyway risks violating public trust. Policing by endurance is not lawful policing.
And won't take no for an answer.
I'm not taking
You
no
can be
for an
polite by asking.
I've been very polite.
Of course you can.
Right.
But why could we have to be polite? Why can we not be rude?
I don't want to be rude.
Pardon?
It's not in my nature
You was
to be
rude.
I wasn't
You
rude.
kept on asking me when I told you no.
Well, that doesn't mean I'm
So that's
rude.
rude. It is. Don't take no. If you don't take no for an answer, and you keep asking, that's being rude because
No,
I've already told you
I'm
once.
there's a difference between being rude and being concerned.
Oh no. But if you've got to take a member of public's word, if he tells you he's perfectly fine,
But that's not. But a lot of people say they're fine and they're not. Are they?
well, I
Let's be
reassured
honest.
you, my friend.
Right. Well, not always, mate. Are they? Just because.
So that's what you do. Just keep pursuing members of public.
I've not pursued you. I've chased you up and down.
You
the
actually guided me onto
No,
a
no.
road.
No.
Yeah, you did.
street. Did I touch you?
You did. Well, you was coming into my face like this.
Listen, mate. If I wanted to get in your face, I'd be in your face. I won't be stuck.
What does that mean?
Well, there's a difference between getting in somebody's face.
Did you not walk towards me and get me off this?
So I could talk to you.
How do I get from this curb to that curb, that pavement there, without going on your property? Because you said this is your property, right?
It is the look. It says police property.
Yeah, I've not once gone round there.
No, this is it.
No, but you tell me.
I'm just explaining.
How do
to you.
I get from that here to that pavement?
Well, you're not meant to walk down here anyway. It's not really a public access road because it's for the cars.
Yeah, but what if I know someone who works in here and I'm picking them up?
Very good.
Public access.
Right. Okay. Well, have a nice day, mate. Nice
You
to meet
keep telling me that.
Yeah.
I was having a good one.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
As the encounter winds down, attempts are made to normalize what occurred. However, the duration alone raises serious questions. A prolonged interaction without suspicion is legally fragile. Length can turn a conversation into a detention,